Hey, what's up everyone? Here with another unboxing of Assassin's Creed. What you're seeing in the front there, it's the 4K Ultra HD Assassin's Creed Steelbook US release. What's over here on the box, it's the Kimchidvd limited edition Steelbook for Assassin's Creed that includes the 3D version. I just got it a couple days ago, so I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. This was just for reference. Here we go. Open that box here with you guys. This is my first package order actually from Kimchidvd. We'll see how the packaging is. In transit, it's actually I'm also expecting the box set of Hell and High Water, which I will review once I receive it, probably in a couple of days. So I just wanted to do this unboxing for you guys, and let's see. The packaging is probably very well bubble wrapped, as you can see. There we go. Take the box away. See all the bubble wrap. I love how they take care of their product and they ship them from Korea or China. I got another one that I will be reviewing pretty soon. So this is the lenticular slipcover. Okay. Kind of tough there. That tape is pretty well put there. Okay, let's see. Oop, one more. Okay, here we go. Wow, just wow. Look at this, guys. You can see the lenticular effect there. Can you see it? Pretty badass, right? You know, this thing sold out in about probably 5-10 minutes. I managed to get my hands on one, so here's the card. Let's see. I believe, yeah, it's I got number 335 of 500. I don't know how all that works out. I mean, I was like literally online, just put it in my card, paid for it, and I don't know how they managed to put the numbering, you know, high or low. But this is what I got, and it looks just beautiful. Assassin's Creed right here. It's not embossed or anything. This is the slip cover. I believe the steelbook is the steelbook art is the same as this. I still got it because I do have a 3D TV, and I wanted to have the 3D version. Well, why not get this beautiful slip cover with it? Full slip. Amazing. Here's a spine of the slip cover. Very beautiful. Alright, so let's see if we can get this baby opened up. Try to be careful here. Okay. I'm going to save the wrap because of that sticker that's on there. You'll be able to take a look at the lenticular with more detail. Let's see. Wow, just beautiful. Love it. What do you guys think? I think it looks amazing. Again, I'll be doing a review also for the box set of Hell or High Water. It's due to arrive tomorrow. See the back. Look at that, guys. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's take a look at the actual steelbook. As I mentioned, it's the same. Sorry for the glare. So we can take it out. Just a moment here. Here we go. Very nice. Like the creed here, has like a gloss to it. Very nice. The Assassin's Creed logo. Let's crack it open, guys. Some 20th Century Fox advertising of sorts. Here is the Assassin's Creed 3D Blu-ray. And the Assassin's Creed regular Blu-ray. And here's the inside artwork. I would imagine it's like this. Possibly like this when he's jumping off the tower, coming down. So here is front and back. Very nice. Let's take a look at the goodies that came with that. There's some postcards, I believe, or character cards. Let's take a look real quick. Alright. First one. There they are, jumping across the buildings. Oh, that's that one scene where he jumps into the horse carriage. The assassin looking over the city. I believe that's, well, no spoilers, so you can take a look for yourself. It's a great movie. That looks like a shot of the Citadel. And there's Michael Fassbender, you know, when he was being subdued. Alright, and one more look at the exclusive card. Number 335 of 500. If it would just focus, there it is. Alright guys, this has been a Kimchidvd Assassin's Creed 2016 unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. It'll help me a lot, encourage me to do a lot more of these. Appreciate your time. Thank you.